Crazy man here. A train and cars and a little bit of clouds and that cloud right there. He's so fluffy, fluffy clouds. Wuffy. Fluffy. Double train action. We got some sky train action and we got some ground train action. Alright. What the hell is that? Free heat? They fucking spell heat wrong. Fucking morons. Waffle? That's what that says. Hooser? Hooser! Isn't that from Corner Gas? Hooser? Hoosers. I can't remember if it's from Corner Gas or not. Last train. Where's the caboose? Missing the caboose, yo. See, so there is one track down there. I thought there was two tracks down there. I want to go down there. Right there. Right where those people are. There's like a little bridge thingy there. I'm going to go fishing there. I gotta go get my fishing license. It's only $1 for me. If that's still even around. And the last time I got a fishing license was when I was 16. One single high rise way out there. Bump, ba bump, bump, ba dump, bump, ba dump. Hey, there's another little platform over there. I see a dude standing on it. I see you. What is he doing? Is he fishing? I think that cocksucker's fishing. Good. Maybe that means I can get fish out there. Oh no, he's not fishing. What did he do? Just slap his friend then? Shit's hardcore. Hardcore, hardcore. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I hardcore? Smell a SkyTrain. Smell a SkyTrain. Alright, YouTube. Like this video right down there, you know. It's very easy. Takes a second. Give it a good old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.